Hey YouTube, so today we got a really cool video. So it's May 2025 and I got the last of the Pokemon cards from McDonald's. This, as you know, if you're watching this, is from quite a few months ago. So they had one left because they sold all the Minecraft toys and I was lucky enough to get it. So this one is the Eevee package, but what's super special about that is this. So this is my Eevee. I bought this one. I was in Germany for the first time in 2023 for a month. Every year I go there now. So I bought this one there on my last day in my favorite city, Düsseldorf, Germany. I bought this one there at the Eevee Games. The building it's in has been there since I think the 1200s or something like that. It's hundreds of years old, this building. Anyways, I got this Eevee there, so I've always loved Eevee, but ever since I've had this one as a memory of that first trip there, I've thought it's one of the coolest Pokemon, especially since it can evolve into so many different things. So I think that's just a really cool good luck charm that the Pokemon cards I got were this one. So we're going to take it apart and take a look at what's inside of it. I just opened it up, but I haven't seen it yet. So there's actually quite a lot in here. Before I start going through it, just the only thing I'm going to say, if anyone from McDonald's or toy development sees this, the one thing I wish is please McDonald's bring back the action figures. I love Pokemon and the cards in the games are awesome, but I miss when McDonald's would do a Pokemon figure with a card. They've done, different stuff for quite a few years. It's been a while since we've had the Pokemon figures. Please bring those back for next time. So, of course, we're going to save the best for last. So we're going to do the cards last. We'll do the other stuff first. So the first thing in it is you get a poster with all these different Pokemon. This one, I'm waiting for it to go on Pokemon Go or for a vinyl pop figure of it. Always thought it's really cool. This one as well. This one reminds me, I think it should be a Yu-Gi-Oh card. And of course you got Eevee there. Here on Pokemon Go, this is one of my favorites. This one's called, I think, Hydreion or something. But I named mine Helios because there's a Bakugan character which resembles this one from the Bakugan. So I call it Helios, even though it's not the name. Here we have Umbreon, we have Pikachu, we have this new dragon Pokemon. The name always escapes me. And then Quagshire. I think it's Quag. So this is on the back of the poster. We have a sticker board. That's item 1. I thought it was a game card, like to put the cards on, but it's a poster and a sticker book, which is kind of cool. So that was the first thing from the box. So now we're on to the second item in it. So the second thing you get in here is a bunch of stickers, and they're all numbered from where you put them on the sticker sheet. I'm going to save them for other stuff though. So sticker 1 is Umbreon, sticker 2 you get the new dragon, 3 is a tail, 4 is a foot. On the second sticker sheet, going in order, you get the tail of what I call Helios, you get the foot of the robot dragon, and you get this adorable Pikachu sticker. That Pikachu sticker I think is going to go on my laptop or my phone, really cool. Because as you can see, my other phone has stickers of everywhere, everything I've done. So Canada Day sticker, Germany sticker, Star Wars Day, I got McDonald's stickers, camera sticker, everything on here. But I don't have a Pokemon sticker yet, so definitely one of those Pokemon stickers is going to go on here. So we're on to the third and final Pokemon sheet, which I saved this one for last. This is the best one. This is the third Pokemon sheet. So you get the head of what I call Helios, you get the tail of Umbreon, you get the head of Helios, and I think that's the bum. Oh, it is the head. Okay, you get both heads of it because it is a 2-3-headed beast. You get a wing. And the cutest sticker of all time, Eevee. That is adorable. I want to photocopy and put on everything. This one with a t-shirt or something. That Eevee sticker, that's going on my phone or something. It's so cute. So that's the end of the sticker. But just take that in one more time how cute that sticker is. So the last part of the video and the best one, I'm super excited for this. We're going to open up the Pokemon cards. Here we go. So this one is 4 game cards, which is pretty good for a Happy Meal. I'm stoked for this because a few years ago, employees were taking out the Pokemon cards from McDonald's and you wouldn't get any. So I'm happy that there is some now. So this is my first deck with them. I'm blindly pulling them out, not looking at them. And it's going to be a surprise when I see what they are. So we're going to start at the back because I did see a shiny foil card at the top. So again, there are 4 cards. The first one is Quagsire. Super cute. I have like 20 of these on Pokemon Go. I think it's a super cute Pokemon. His face here is super adorable. He evolves from Wooper. So here is Quagsire. I've got a lot. Don't have a Quagsire, just have him on Pokemon Go. Okay, here we go. Card number 2. Jigglypuff. Oh, I love Jigglypuff. When I was in Montreal, I bought a keychain of Jigglypuff. I also have the original Tommy Takara Jigglypuff toy, as well as a few other Jigglypuffs. Super cute Pokemon. I love this painting of Jigglypuff. She looks like a water Pokemon, or water painted twister. Super cute. Pokemon card number 3. Just saw getting a Charizard. Wow. I had one Charizard card a few years ago. Don't know where it went. You know, those Pokemon cards. Look at that. Wow, I didn't expect to get a Charizard. That's a pretty cool graphic too, with the sunset behind it, the flames and all that. 170 horsepower, pretty cool. Charizard, big surprise, and we got 1 card left to go, and it's a foil. 1 shiny foil card to go. The last Pokemon card. Wow. The Charizard was cool. For me personally, this topped it. Look at that. So we use the flash here. Wow. Hydreion. So I call this one again Helios, like I said. One of my favorite buddies in Pokemon Go. Mine is over 3,000 CP. Almost 4,000. Really strong. Look at that. Card is, I think, my favorite Pokemon card at the moment. My first one is, my other favorite Pokemon card is an Ottawa. On a trip I bought a special edition Eevee card, which is a limited one. This is now my other favorite one. Look at that. There's the McDonald's Happy Meal, so thanks for watching. Check out my other videos.